In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track tasks in Notion. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can start organizing your work right away. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. On the homepage, click Login and sign in with your usual details. Once you're in, go to your workspace, the main area where all your pages and projects live. Now let's create a fresh spot for your tasks. Click Create New Page. This gives you a blank canvas. A straightforward, beginner-friendly way to track tasks in Notion is to use a table. It's flexible, easy to scan, and perfect for keeping status and due dates in one place. To add that table, tap the / on your keyboard, then type Table View. You'll see matching options appear. Click Table View. Notion will drop a new table onto your page. Let's set up the columns so the table works like a proper task tracker. Click the header of the first column and rename it to Task. This column is the title of each row, so it's the best place to enter the name of each task. Keeping task names short but clear will make the table easier to skim. Next, click Add Property and choose Status. This adds a status column with color-coded options such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. These visual cues make it easy to see where everything stands at a glance. You can use the default statuses as is and update them as you work. Click Add Property again and select Date. This will be your due date column. When you pick a date in Notion, you can also add a time if you want more precision, but date alone works great for most task lists. Now start adding your tasks in the first column under Task. Each row represents one task. Try to keep one clear action per row to avoid confusion. As you enter tasks, move to the status column and set each one based on how far along it is. Choose To Do for items you haven't started, In Progress for anything underway, and Done when you've completed it. Finally, in the date column, add the due date for each task. Pick realistic dates that help you prioritize. With task names, statuses, and due dates in place, you have a clean, reliable tracker you can reference daily. That's it. Your basic Notion task tracker is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.